Okay, so what'd you get from setting x is 0? So f of x and y at x is 0.
Yeah, y squared.
Okay. So I get y squared. Okay, so in which direction?
Into the board.
Yeah, in the end of the board direction, I got a parabola. Like this, right? Then when I set x equal to 0, or sorry, not x is 0, but y is 0, I get x squared, right?
Is that the format you want us to show in like let's say like f of x comma 0?
Oh yeah, that's fine too. Yeah, there's a couple different ways to write this. If you want to plug a 0 in here, I'm down with that. If you want to do the kind of evaluated at line, that's fine. If you want to do the at symbol, that's also fine. Somehow indicate to me that. I'm not going to be super picky about the notation. So I get x squared, right, which is parabola like this. And then across the level curves are
Circles.
yeah, the circles, right? So I got something like that. Cool. Okay. Can you guys tell me about what's going to happen if I do f of x and 2?
Of x squared plus y squared?
I'll have x squared plus 4. What's that? Parabola shifted up 4 units, right? So if I was going to draw that on this picture, that might be something like this. Maybe it makes better sense if I did f of x and minus 2. Let me do that for this one. So let's do f of x and minus 2. That's going to be the same thing, right? But where do I draw it?
Minus 2.
I have to come 2 out towards me, right? And then draw. So that'd maybe look like this. Okay, see that? So that's taking your bowl, right? Slicing this way through it. So of course you get another parabola. Cool.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, they really are. Cool. Alright, some of you were happening upon an interesting question too about the other one. So let's go back for a second and talk about the other one. So the other one was z was the square root of x squared plus y squared, right? And we found that this was one of these ice cream cone things. Oops. Yes? And then some of you were asking about z squared is x squared plus y squared. Are these the same thing?
No. This one was plus. You have to plus or minus.
Yeah, you need to remember, right? If you're solving, you have to plus or minus both sides when you take the square root. So what's the plus or minus going to do?
Reflect it across the x-axis.
Do like a pipeline? That's pipeline,
Yeah, so here's the plus one, right? That's the one I had before. And then what's the minus one?
Just flip down.
Reflect it across the x.
Okay.
So this one's twice as much.
Yeah, there's two of these, right? The plus one and the minus one.
It's not just infinity, it's 2 infinity.
You guys want to answer a quick calculus question about this stuff?
Sure. Maybe.
What's going to happen down there?
It's undefined.
What's undefined?
The slope.
Would it be a horizontal tangent line?
Would it?
The derivative. It would be
The derivative's definitely going to be undefined.
Uh-huh.
Whatever the derivative's going to come to mean, it's definitely not going to work there. You guys see that? Can you explain to me why not?
Any slice you would take out of it, it would come to a point instead of.
Yeah, it's actually a really good insight. That's really how we're going to take derivatives. We're going to slice. And then we're going to take regular derivatives. 'Cause we already know how to do that, right? Cool. Alright. Again,